Hi everyone. Today I am going to unbox an adapter which is in this box. It is from Amazon. It came right now. So it just came like about what can I say? Like about 2 minutes ago. Yes, like 2 minutes. So I'm going to unbox it and show you because let me just explain this reason that why do I need an adapter. So I need to like run 12 volt DC motors and various kinds of thing which like runs on DC electric on 12 volts of electricity. Now yes, let's unbox it and see what's inside. I guess I have to cut like this. I've got this unboxing knife. This is a kitchen knife too. So that's a sharp knife. There we go. Cut it through. Okay, this company is called Geonex. I think it is the adapter for a set-top box which also works for DC motors. So we have to test it. Now, put this thing back. So you can see it is from Geonex. I guess you can see it. So now I have to open. Not open. Okay. This. Okay, this from Amazon thing card from Amazon. Now, what is that? I'm just quick check it. So it is the receipt, okay? Printed receipt. Now I've got this a box inside a box. There we go. This box looks nice. So how to open that? Yes, like that. There we go. There you go, guys. We have the adapter right now. It is like rated on 12 volts 2 amp DC. So we have to test it. If it can run, otherwise I have to return it because there are also some kind of SMP. I think there is also some kind of SMP. So I don't know if it is SMP or adapter. It is called adapter though, but you can see the red LED here. It looks like an SMP, but let us see. I have to connect it to a plug or on the outlet. No, it's okay. So we got this DC motor right here. It is also from Amazon, you can see. So now I'm going to put this thing here and okay. Just wait, I have to get a tape. Wait for a minute. Let me get the tape. So guys, I've got the tape right now. So where's the head of it? There we go. So guys, I've connected it. Now I have to turn the switch on. It is running. Yes guys, it runs. But I don't know why it is too slow. So guys, there we go. We have it now. I guess it will speed up eventually. I don't know. But it says 12 volts. I have to test it first with my multimeter. My multimeter is on the way. It is also coming from Amazon. So wait for the next video guys. That's pretty much it. It is for today. So guys, see you next time.